My dear students, very happy to introduce another video that is which is most useful for JEE mains, advanced and NEET examinations. So one who wish to become an engineer or doctor, kindly watch this video and enrich your chemistry subject. Definitely I am challenging this type of bits will definitely benefit you in the engineering, JEE mains and advanced and NEET examinations. So today I am going to take periodic table, which is most vital, which is heart of the chemistry. I already discussed it in the previous video. So let us go for some important bits. You have a clear-cut idea regarding periodic table. One is the correct order of radii is, you see it, Al plus 3, Mg plus 2, Na plus, F minus, O minus 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces are there. We have to think, so which is the correct order? So, which is larger size, which is smaller size. You know pretty well, Al plus 3 contains 10 electrons. This is 10 electrons, Mg plus 2, 10 electrons, Na plus losing of 1 electron, 10 electrons, F minus gaining of 1 electron, 10 electrons, gaining of 2 electrons, 10 electrons, Al plus 3, aluminum losing 3 electrons, convert to 10 electrons, Mg losing 2 electrons, 10 electrons, Na losing 1 electron, F fluorine adding 1 electron, gaining 1 electron, 10 electron, 10 electron. So, if you have an idea, what is that? All the spaces have same number of electrons. Then I can say isoelectric series. What I can say? Isoelectric series. In this context, what I am going to discuss, the order, the decreasing order, they have mentioned. What I have to mention first? You have a common phenomena. The more the positive charge, the lesser the radius. What I am telling you, the more the positive charge, the lesser the radii. The more the negative charge, the greater the radii. You kindly keep it in mind. So here, positive charge Al plus 3, Mg plus 2, Na plus. So positive charge aluminum has positive 3, Mg 2, sodium plus. So what I am telling you, the more the positive charge, the lesser the radii. So aluminum has 3 positive, for which I have to write aluminum in the last. The next, what I have to tell, please tell me, Mg. Next, Na. Next, the more the negative charge, the greater the radii. So negative charge, oxygen has more negative charge. So I have to mention oxygen is first. Oxygen I have to mention first. The next, fluorine. So this is the 2002, very vital, most important 2002 JEE mains bit. What is that? I have to mention I have to mention O minus 2 greater than F minus, greater than Na plus, greater than Mg plus 2 greater than. So kindly keep it in mind. If any species has more number of positive charges, that is the lesser size. If any species has more number of negative charges, that is the higher charge, లేదా greater charge, that is higher radius. So F minus O minus 2, number of charges on oxygen is more, for which oxygen has size is very large. So aluminum plus 3, charge is more, plus 3 is more when compared to magnesium. When compared to sodium, aluminum has 3 positive charge, 3 units positive charge, for which I can say the more the positive charge, the lesser the radii. So the smallest radii, aluminum, the more the positive charge, the lesser the radii. The more the negative charge, the greater the radii. So according to this, oxygen has more negative charge, for which the size of the oxygen is more. Next fluorine, F minus, next Na plus, next Mg plus. The smallest radii is aluminum plus 3. The largest radii is O minus. So, the correct order of radii, this type of questions you may face in the competitive examinations, that is JEE mains and NEET. So, higher this charge,